Hello and welcome everyone. Steve here with TradeForexForProfit.com. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2021. We're looking at the USCAD on the 4-hour time frame. This is a trade. Obviously, I don't record all my trades. This is a trade that I thought that I might want to go ahead and record now because the market has shown us what it oftentimes does, and that is opportunity for re-entries. All right, before actually that you would want to cancel out this trade. And let me talk about that for just a moment. All right, what you see happen here is this zone right here. All right, we have this level here as well as here. I'm going to scan back in a minute. That's from January of 2018. Okay, so that is 3 years ago. The market has returned to this area. It's broken through with this large candle and then rechecked that zone right there, rechecking this level and checking this level again, failing miserably. The market has then, this is our entry, it's a straightaway entry. It has pushed back above the entry line and this time pierced way beyond it, closes below it, and now we're starting to see that bullish move, okay, as it comes out of this box that it's formed. And what I want you to notice is that this box has formed above the 1 times profit target, okay, which means if it hasn't closed past there, I'm not going to cancel the order if I have not already taken my entry, or I'm not going to get into the trade if it closes past the 1 times profit if I missed it originally, okay, which in this case I did not. I got in directly. I think that was in the review, the midweek review last week. But my point to you is this: lots of opportunity for re-entry on these setups. So now let me zoom out, or let me roll back to January, where this level came from. I believe it's right here. Where'd it go? Is this it? No, this is, we got to go back a little further. I apologize. Okay. There it is right there. This is the consolidation that I'm referring to right here. Okay, let me zoom in one more time for you guys. All right, this is the level right here. This consolidation right here, all right, where we have broken through this area, okay, where we have broken through this area right here, pulled back and pushed off, okay. So the level is coming from here and here, all right. It's the breakthrough, it's the pullback, and then the springboard from that area. This becomes a zone, and that is what we're seeing rejected. Whoops. Right here, not just once, but now as we build this box, we move all the way and reject that area a second time. All right, so this is probably what's going to drive the market to the downside to our 2 times profit, which is just floating above the next level of support. Okay, welcome back everyone. It's now Thursday, May 6th, 2021, and the market has pushed right down through our 2 times profit, moving down through the next level of support, the 3 times profit. It looks to be well on its way to the 4 times profit and maybe free falling down to the next level of support right down here. Okay, so I have a couple of things to talk about real quick. I did say earlier that after this move to the upside, the market, I expect to see it get bullish. I meant to say bearish as it falls, and I said bullish. Anyway, if you caught that, I meant bearish, so nobody's confused. Now, let me talk about this box that I said we were trading from. All right, look what happens here. This is a big move to the upside a couple of times. Everybody's buying into that. Stops are here. They're getting hit not once, but twice. As we move down to the bottom of the box, we see rejection. We move outside of the box, again, a big break. Stops are sitting here, they move back in, take the stops, and then the market can move. All right, so it's a big whipsaw in and out of the box. That's powerful. A lot of orders being collected here, and off we go to the downside. So I did expect to see a real powerful move after I saw this bullish spike fail. Okay, so the question that I get a lot is, why would you exit at 2 times profit and not just ride this all the way? And that is especially true when somebody sees a move that goes in our favor and it continues to go and I'm already out of it. Okay, and there's a 2-part answer. First and foremost, it screws up your 2 times reward to 1 times risk. Okay, because how do you have to ask yourself, how do you trail this? Okay, well, do you wait till the market hits the 2 times profit and then you put your stop above the most recent candle? And then what happens when it moves back and takes you out? Because that's going to happen a lot. Well, then you ended up at 1.5 times profit, and now your 2 to 1 is skewed, and you're not going to have a profitable, consistent system. Okay, so the next thing that you could do is wait until it moves past the 2 times profit and set your stop right at the 2 times profit. Okay, well, what happens if it hits the 2 times profit exactly? You don't have your profit target set, and it bounces, and now it goes up here and takes you out. Okay, so you're going to lose this one where you would have taken 2 times profit. This happens a lot. That's why I'm bringing it up, and I get this question a lot. So what is the other part to this? The part that is my reality is that I take my 2 times profit, done. I don't even think about it. I set this whole thing up and I leave it. I will re-enter another trade. If this is going to continue to fall, I'm going to look for another check here to sell. I'm going to look for maybe a bullish engulf right here to buy. I'm going to look for the market to break back inside of this level and check it this way. I'm going to look for all these additional setups to get me in the market when it tells me which way it's going to go next, because it's consistently and continuously turning and going one direction and then reversing and going the other direction. Okay, even when it's trending, so to speak, it's still going both directions. Okay. So if you want to learn more about the break check pattern, click the video link on the screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That subscribe button is up there on the screen for you as well, so you can have updated content as we put it out there for you. Come over to tradeforexforprofit.com. We have a free section, and I hope to see you guys on the inside soon.